Hi folks, Adam at Leighton Vans again. Now, we've got something really special. We've got the mother of all Christmas giveaways. Now, what we're gonna do for you guys is we're gonna give away a brand new van for 6 months, free of charge. Now, all you have to do is follow the instructions down below and you will receive something like this for 6 months. Now, we're gonna pick one winner and that winner will receive not this van, but a brand new van which is currently in build. We haven't got it on site because it is box fresh and we're currently putting all the kit on it. But it is a cherry red 150 DSG Kombi with the apt front end and all the Leighton Vans Sportline kit. Now, all we ask from you when you pick the vehicle up is a £1,000 security deposit, as we do with our normal rental customers. And all you have to do is insure it and add fuel. And that is for 6 months. Now, follow the instructions down below, and if you've got any questions at all, feel free to just give us a ring. Thanks guys.